Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. Today's quiz topic is thrones, cannons, and companies, India's turbulent transition from 1526 to 1800. This quiz explores the rise and fall of the Mughal Empire, the entry of European trading powers, and how the East India Company transformed from traders into rulers. It has 20 questions, each worth 1 point. Keep track of your score and write your final result in the comments at the end of the quiz. Question 1. Who founded the Mughal Empire after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in 1526? A. Humayun, B. Babur, C. Akbar, or D. Sher Shah Suri? The correct answer is B. Babur. Babur's victory at the Battle of Panipat introduced gunpowder warfare in India and established Mughal dominance. Question 2. Which Mughal ruler lost his empire to Sher Shah Suri only to later reclaim it? A. Jahangir, B. Aurangzeb, C. Humayun, or D. Akbar? The correct answer is C. Humayun. Humayun was ousted by Sher Shah Suri but regained the throne in 1555, shortly before his accidental death. Question 3. Which Mughal emperor is remembered for his policy of Sulhi-Kul, universal tolerance? The options are A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is A. Akbar. Akbar's religious tolerance and administrative reforms created one of the most stable empires in Indian history. Question 4. Which 17th century Mughal ruler built the Peacock Throne and expanded the empire to its greatest extent? Options are A. Shah Jahan, B. Jahangir, C. Babur, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is D. Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb ruled over most of the subcontinent, but his religious orthodoxy strained Mughal unity. Question 5. Which Mughal queen is buried in the Taj Mahal? Options A. Noor Jahan, B. Mumtaz Mahal, C. Hamida Banu Begum, or D. Jahanara Begum. The correct answer is B. Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question 6. Which Portuguese explorer first reached India by sea in 1498? The options are A. Vasco da Gama, B. Bartholomew Diaz, C. Ferdinand Magellan, or D. Alfonso de Albuquerque. The correct answer is A. Vasco da Gama. Landing at Calicut, Vasco da Gama opened the sea route that brought European powers to India. Question 7. Who was the Portuguese governor who established Goa as the capital of Portuguese India? Options A. Vasco da Gama, B. Alfonso de Albuquerque, C. Francisco de Almeida, or D. Duarte Barbosa. The correct answer is B. Alfonso de Albuquerque. He seized Goa in 1510, making it the hub of Portuguese power in Asia. Question 8. Which Mughal ruler granted trading rights to the English East India Company in 1600s? Options A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is B. Jahangir. Jahangir allowed the English to trade after Captain Hawkins and later Sir Thomas Roe secured farmlands, royal decrees. Question 9. Which European power established their first factory in Surat in 1612 after defeating the Portuguese? Options A. English, B. Dutch, C. French, or D. Danes. The correct answer is A. English. The English East India Company defeated the Portuguese navy near Surat, cementing their trading foothold. Question 10. Which 17th century Mughal prince authored the philosophical work Dara Shuko's Majma ul Bahrain, the mingling of two oceans? The options are A. Dara Shuko, B. Aurangzeb, C. Salim, D. Shah Shuja. The correct answer is A. Dara Shuko. Dara Shuko's text explored Hindu and Islamic spiritual harmony, though he was later executed by Aurangzeb. Question 11. Which European power established colonies in Pondicherry and Chandernagore? The options are A. Dutch, B. English, C. French, or D. Danes. The correct answer is C. French. The French East India Company built strong bases in Pondicherry and Chandernagore, later clashing with the English. Question 12. Which decisive battle in 1757 established British supremacy in Bengal? The options are A. Battle of Buxar, B. Battle of Panipat III, C. Battle of Plassey, or D. Battle of Haldi Ghati. The correct answer is C. Battle of Plassey. Robert Clive's victory against Siraj-ud-Daulah, aided by Mir Jafar's betrayal, began British territorial dominance. Question 13. Who was the last powerful Mughal emperor, often called the Zinda Pir by his supporters? The options are A. Shah Alam II, B. Bahadur Shah Zafar, C. Aurangzeb, or D. Akbar Shah II. The correct answer is C. Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb's long rule expanded the empire but drained its resources, leading to decline after his death. Question 14. Which battle in 1764 sealed the company's control over Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha? The options are A. Battle of Plassey, B. Battle of Buxar, C. Battle of Wandiwash, or D. Battle of Panipat III. The correct answer is B. Battle of Buxar. The British defeated the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shuja-ud-Daulah, and Shah Alam II, gaining revenue rights. Question 15. Which Mughal ruler was a noted patron of miniature paintings with an atelier that blended Persian and Indian styles? Options are A. Akbar, B. Babur, C. Humayun, or D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is A. Akbar. Akbar's court saw the Mughal school of painting flourish, combining Persian finesse with Indian themes. Question 16. Who was the British governor credited with establishing dual government in Bengal after 1765? The options are A. Robert Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Cornwallis, or D. Lord Wellesley. The correct answer is A. Robert Clive. Clive made the company the Diwan of Bengal, keeping the Nawab as a puppet ruler while revenue went to the British. Question 17. Which Dutch trading post in India was taken over by the English after the Battle of Colashul in 1741? The options are A. Cochin, B. Nagapattinam, C. Pulicat, or D. Chinsura. The correct answer is D. Chinsura. The Dutch lost influence after defeats like Colashul. The English eventually took over the Chinsura base. Question 18. Which French general commanded forces in the Carnatic Wars against the British? The options are A. Lally, B. Dupleix, C. Bussy, or D. Labourdonnais. The correct answer is B. Dupleix. Joseph Dupleix was the French governor who expanded French influence but lost ground to the British in the Carnatic Wars. Question 19. Which 1765 treaty granted the East India Company Diwani rights over Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha? The options are A. Treaty of Allahabad, B. Treaty of Alinagar, C. Treaty of Salbai, or D. Treaty of Madras. The correct answer is A. Treaty of Allahabad. Signed after the Battle of Buxar, it made the company the revenue collector, marking the start of British economic dominance. Question 20. Who was the last Mughal emperor exiled to Rangoon after the revolt of 1857? The options are A. Shah Alam II, B. Akbar Singh II, C. Bahadur Shah Zafar, or D. Alamgir II. The correct answer is C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar became a symbolic leader of 1857 but was captured and exiled, ending Mughal sovereignty. So that was the quiz this week. How much did you score out of 20? Write your score in the comments below and share this quiz with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more such fascinating quizzes.